Hi kids, I hope you all are good. So, today I'll teach you cursive A to D. In previous video, I taught how to write capital A to D. And this video, I teach a small a to D. So, you have to see very careful. Okay? Now, first we read it. Capital A, capital A. This is small a. Capital A. This is small a. Capital cursive A. This is small cursive A. A for apple. And now A sounds. What A sounds. What is the get A sound? A sounds are A. Like apple. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for angel. A for alligator. Yes. So A sound A. A. Okay. Next letter B. This is capital B. This is capital B. This is small b. These are cursive. Capital cursive B, small cursive B. Capital cursive B, small cursive B. And B for balloon. And B sounds ba. B sound ba. B sound ba. Like B for ball. Ba. Ball. B for bat. B say bird. B sound balloon. Okay. So capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. Okay. Now next letter C. This is capital cursive C. This is capital cursive C. And this is small cursive C. This is small cursive C. C sound ka. C sound ka. C sound ka. Like C for cat. Ka. Ka. Cat. C for cat. C sound ka. C for cat. C for cow. Cow. C for cow. C for cat. C for candle. C for cat. C for cow. C for candle. C for carrot. Many things. Start with letter C. And C sound ka. After that D. After that D. This is D. Capital D. Capital cursive D. Okay. This is not a simple D. This is cursive D. Okay. Capital D with small d. Capital D with small d. Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. And D sound da. D sound da. Like D for, tell me, D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. And dog says, how the dog barks? भों भों बोलता है ना. D says dog. Dog. Like D for dog. D for duck. Duck. D for dog. D for duck. Okay. So again we repeat with me. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Okay. Now after that, look at your book. This is capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. Okay. This is your cursive book. And after that, now look here. This is small a, small b, small c and small d. Okay. So again now look here. How to write cursive small letter? Okay. In cursive letter, start with strokes. In first video, you have it cursive stroke. You do it now. So start cursive. Start with stroke. Okay. So look here. How to write A? Small a. Small a. Now look here. Small a, you have to write first line. This line, skyline, we have to leave it. Skyline, we have to leave it. Start with plain line. Start with plain line with green line. Okay? In two line. First line, leave it. Second and third line, we have to use it. Nose and start with curve. Like this. And turn and small tail. This is small a. Again you have to curve, turn, small circle and small tail. This is cap. Small a. This is small a. Again circle and small tail. Okay, this is small a. After small a, which letter? B. Which letter? B. So again we start with green line. Skyline, leave it. Plain line, leave it. Green line. Now look here. Start with turn and straight line, curve, turn like this. Okay. Again, third line start with like this straight line and turn this line and again turn like B. B for ball. Okay. After that, which letter come? After B? C. After B? C. C. Small c. Write in two line. First line, skyline we have to leave it. Second, plain line with green line. Now like small c. Half circle like curve and like this. Okay. Again similar like A, but in A letter we have to draw full circle and C like a small circle, half circle. Turn like this, again turn like this, half circle and like this. This is C, small c. After C, D. After C, D. D write in three line. D write in three line. First skyline we have to turn, plain line and green line. Okay. Now start with green line. Now third line. 1, 2, 3. Turn with a curve and half circle. Then a straight line. Straight line touch with skyline. And again turn it and small tail like this. Okay. Again curve with the stroke, small circle and straight line like this. Okay, again like this. Okay, now look here, this is capital A, sorry, small a, small b, small c, small d, small a, small b, small c, small d. Okay, now and you have to write in your notebook, okay, capital A with small a like this. Okay, you have to write in your notebook with capital and with small. Both letters you have to write it like this. Capital A, small a. And capital B, small b. Capital C with small chotu sa c. Capital D with small d. Okay, so we have to write capital A with small a, capital B with small b, capital C with small c, capital D with small d. Okay, so A sound A, B sound ba, like bat, ball, balloon, bun, bin. C sounds ka, cat, car, candle, carrot. D sound da, like dog, duck, dolphin. Okay, so this is your homework also, but you have to write very carefully, touch the line and don't write very bad. You have to write it very neat and clean in your notebook. Okay, and do practice at your home many times. You have to read it and write it. Speak and write. Okay, bye bye. Thank you, kids.